I saw the main reason was for speech and language. Is that correct?
Yes, for my son, yes.
And is that something he's been evaluated for or received any services?
I think we're in the process of. As far as evaluated, no, I'm not 100% sure.
Perfect, but just in the process.
Yeah.
Perfect. Do you have any hearing concerns for him?
No.
Good job. Over here, look. Good job.
What's going on, guys? So today we had to go get some testing done for both my son and my daughter, and I ended up getting a little bit on both of them, but mainly for my daughter. But we went into this little room that was, totally soundproof, and we had to get this testing done because my son, he has a speech delay, so he just wanted to see if his hearing was, up to par. And then for my daughter, on her last checkup, she actually ended up failing on the low frequency test. So just as a precaution, we went ahead and scheduled a testing for her as well. Well, let me give credit to, the mother of my children. She's the one who did it. But here we go. We're going to jump into that. And here's a little bit of how it looks like, just in case if any of y'all are wondering. It's super fast. We weren't there more than like 30 minutes. And they were just playing some little sounds on the headphones for my daughter. And then for my son, if you had seen the screens, they were pretty much on every single corner of the room. They would play little sounds, little frequencies. And then when you turn towards that screen, the screen would light up with a little animation, a little cartoon and stuff like that, to really catch the child's attention. Hey. But both of my kids passed, so no issues there. My son, of course, still has his little speech delay, but that's just, I guess, comes with time. For my daughter, I guess maybe in the doctor's office when we did that initial testing, she was just distracted, shy, you know what I mean? And maybe she wasn't understanding the instructions, or maybe she just simply couldn't hear those frequencies, you know what I mean? But I just want to let you guys know to not freak out when situations like this happen, you know what I mean? Remain calm, do further testing if needed, just to give yourself a peace of mind, and of course help your child that potentially might need some help, you know what I mean? Because my child is going now into kindergarten, and of course you want your children to be able to hear, you want your children to be able to understand the material and lessons being taught to them, and you don't want them to struggle during those times or any time period. So catch you next one, guys. Take it easy.